Guys, so there's a new opportunity where you guys will be getting a free funded account, and I feel I need everyone to pay attention because you would surely be getting it. But there's some aspect of this video which might actually want to give you some issues that might actually want to delay you getting the account, and I feel I would actually be the one to help a lot of us sort it out, because you still have to reach out to me in order not to have delay in getting it. Now, I'm sure a lot of us know what to do next. Just subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, and share this video to other friends, your colleagues who are actually in need of getting a free funded account. I'm sure you don't want them to miss out on opportunities like this. Now, without wasting time, go straight to the comment section. Now, I know most of you used to ask me in the comments that where's the link. Now, if you check the comment section carefully, you will see my post in the comment section is the link that will take you to the Telegram channel. All you just need to do is to click on it, and then to take you directly to the post in the Telegram channel that has the link to this site. And I'm sure a lot of us know why I'm doing this is to avoid this unregistered link being taken down, because the channel actually gets flagged for something like that. So the link, you click on the link and then it takes to the Telegram channel, and you find this link right here that takes you to this profile right here. You can see the name at the top, FundYourFX, that's the name at the top. Now to proceed with this, you just need to select either Google or Discord, anyone you want to use to sign up. Now, if you have an account with this platform right here already, just log in right here, add your email, and then click on email me a code, which is what you'll be using to log in. But for those just signing up, click on this Google sign, and then you select the email which you want to use to sign up. And see right here, I've added my email, and see right, I just need to click on continue. And like I said earlier, there are some aspects which I would actually need to help you guys sort out in order to fasten your access to getting the account. Now, see right here, this is what we'll be doing. You can see stack pip fast. Now, we actually need pips to be able to get this account. Now, it's just like paying with our phones. Now, if you take a look at the site, there's an aspect where every total pips which you have is equal to a specific amount, which is what we'll be using to get the account. Now, for just logging in alone, I got 15 pips, and for a start, I was given 500 pips to be able to boost my my progress. Now, just click on let's go. You can see my balance right there, which is 515 pips. Now, to get more pips, this is what you need to do. You can see right here that says N, your next action to N. Now, you can see there's other tasks which you can complete to get pips. And for example, I'll be showing you some aspect of the site which is very, very cool. Now, before we actually proceed to the tasks we need to complete to get the pips, you can see right here, you scroll up to take a look at the platform. You can see how it looks like. Very straightforward, no confusion. Now, if you click on this icon right here that says N, we also get to see some important aspects which will be giving us more pips. Now, see right here, leave a review on Trustpilot. We're giving us 500 pips, and if you leave a review on Google, which I've done, and I'll be showing you how I did mine, also will be giving us pips. Now, this right here is clicking on wallets right here is what will actually be giving us where we'll be able to claim the account, and also you get to see the tax which you've completed and the amount you've gotten. Now, if you take a look, scroll up a little bit, and then you can see this right here under this icon that says wallet. You see the available account which you'll be able to claim. Now, this right here says instant funding, which means you'll be getting an instant account, and which is the first one is a 5k instant funding account, while the second one says 10k, the third one says 25k instant funding account. Now, see the fourth one there says 50k account, while there's also an 100k account. You can get any of this account depending on the total amount of pips you were able to accumulate. Now, back to the to the dashboard where we'll be able to complete the tasks. For example, let's complete this Google review right here. And I noticed completing the task has no stress. It's straightforward. It's better than most of this platform where you actually need to you go diverse ways instead of going straight to where you want to go to. Now, see right here, it says open Google. This will take you directly to the task which you are required to complete. Now, you just need to click on this right here that says open Google, and it takes you straight to the task. Now, right here, you just need to wait for it to finish loading, and right here we have it on our screen. You just need to give them a 5-star review right here, and this is how I did it. So just click on the 5-star, and then you click on post right here. Now, you actually need to take a screenshot, and I'll be showing you where you need to take a screenshot. Now I got a point from Google right here, but you just need to click on done, and then the next place you'll be headed to is this right here, having information just like this. Now complete this, click on the box to complete that they are not a robot, and then you proceed to the next part. I actually want to show you where you need to take a screenshot, which is what you'll be using as proof for the tax. Let's go back. So you give them a 5-star, then click on post, and then you proceed to complete that you are not a robot right there. So if you want to get to this aspect, you scroll up and then you should have it just like this. Now this is where you take a screenshot. If you scroll up, you see this is mine. See the name down the light showing below, and I already give them a 5-star. So you just take a screenshot of this right here, and then you take it back to the site. So you just need to go back to the page right there, and you just submit your review, your screenshots for proof that you've completed the task. And see it right here, it's loading, and you can see it's submitted and under pending. Now right here it's still pending and under review. Now let me show you the important aspects which can actually boost the amount of pips you'll be getting. Now once you come to this section that says earn, so you just scroll up and you see a place where you actually need to refer others. Now the amount of people you refer, there's a specific amount of pips you'll be getting, which is 500 pips for each invite you bring to this platform. Now if you calculate a total of, if you're able to make like 10 invites, which means that will give you like 5,000 pips, that alone would actually boost your progress towards getting more pips. And the requirement to get a 5k account is just like 9,000 something. So once you're able to accumulate that total amount of pips, you'll be able to unlock a 5k instant account. Very, very simple. I'm sure the progress is actually simple. Now this is where I want to help a lot of people, and I'm sure for those who actually didn't watch the video to this length, you would actually miss out. Now if you know you can't afford to get like maybe 10 invites, just leave in the comment section your invite link, and I'll be able to pick at least like 10 people's invite link, use it as my referral, and help them fill up their invites. So you'll be able to get from the community, people will be able to sign up using your link, and until you're able to get like 10 invites or above, then I'll stop it, pick another person's link, and then I'm sure a lot of us will be able to get enough pips doing that. And in case there's any aspects you don't understand, just come to my DM, my Telegram, my WhatsApp, leave your message, and I'll be there to reply you and help you sort out any issues you're having. Have a nice day, guys.